Are interest rates going up or are they going down? For the short term or the long term? What? You don't know? You don't know for sure? Well, that's great. That means you are thinking, because nobody knows for sure. And yet there are banks creating strategic plans, making assumptions of what rates are going to be doing. And yet we don't know when the next war starts, when inflation takes off again, whether some big spending bill goes through. All of these things dramatically change our assumptions. So what's a guy to do during an unreasonable expectation of your board saying, well, what are you doing with your strategic plan? I'll tell you what. You have to take the interest rate risk out for your bank. So what does that mean? That means whatever you can do to make sure that you are riding the interest rates so that you are not locking in for a long period of time, that you have hedged bets against things, and that you're not doing the crazy kind of things that so many of our dear friends did that were running banks, and these banks no longer existed. They thought they could outsmart understanding what was happening with the economy. We don't know. We get gut feelings. Sometimes those are right. But there is a thing that you can do called making sure you're hedging your bets. And if you're constantly getting premium pricing on loans where you're not going out very far, and you're constantly bringing in low-cost deposits or no-cost deposits and bringing in a ton of those, you're going to be okay. So stop trying to figure out what the crystal ball is saying with interest rates. Nobody knows. Get in the game of managing your bank so that regardless of whether rates go up or down, you're okay. Everything is going to be all right.